So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do?
Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very special hacks video featuring my essential oils. I really wanted to share all of the amazing ways that I use essential oils within my life, and I also just ordered this new oil diffuser. Not only that, but it's an alarm clock. It's also a Bluetooth speaker and a night light. So along with my new diffuser, I wanted to pick up some new essential oils, and I also got this set from Art Naturals. It comes with all the basics, a great starter kit, and it would be amazing for a gift as well. But because I use essential oils every day, I knew that I would get my use out of these. So I'll be sure to leave everything linked in the down bar so you guys can check it out. And also I have a coupon code so you guys can get 20% off. And I'll leave that in the down bar. It's Kayla20. So this is my oil diffuser. I like to use filtered water so I don't get any buildup. This also features automatic shut off, and you can choose to have your mist going for an hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on into these hacks. There are so many awesome ways to use essential oils, so you guys will hear it first. If you guys are anything like me, you definitely don't have a regulated sleeping schedule. So one of my favorite ways to calm and relax my body at nighttime is to diffuse lavender essential oil. Now you really don't need a lot because this is very strong, so a few drops will go a long way, and that's how I get my best sleep. Now let's say you're not a morning person, also me. Then what I like to do to start my morning out is to diffuse a sweet orange essential oil. This is very invigorating. I find that it really wakes my body up and it gives me the perfect start to my day. Now I tend to get some pretty annoying headaches in the middle of my days, and I don't like to take Advil or anything like that. So to wait it out and to help ease the process, I like to apply peppermint essential oil to my temples. I actually learned this little hack from my friend here on YouTube, Alice the Dalvis, and it works like a charm. One dot definitely goes a very long way, so I just like to massage this into my temples, take a few deep breaths, and I'm good to go. I'd say this works in about 15 minutes. The peppermint oil definitely has a nice tingling sensation. Now, is it that time of the month? Do you have a pimp on your face that needs to go? Well, what I like to do is to apply with a Q-tip some tea tree oil. This is a perfect spot treatment. It's also great for a face toner, and you want to make sure to dilute this with a little bit of water, or you could use coconut oil, whatever you'd like. And I just apply this to my spot. And I say bye-bye to the pimp because we don't want you here, okay? Maybe it's been a stressful day and you just want to relax and breathe and take some time for yourself. I really like to take baths. I can add Epsom salt to them or bubble bath to it, but I also really like to add essential oils into my bath water. So my favorite combos are lemongrass and eucalyptus. I find this makes my bathroom and my baths kind of feel like a spa, so it's very relaxing. Oftentimes I find myself stressed, I am distracted by other things, I am procrastinating, I'd rather be on Twitter and Instagram, you know, links below. I'm doodling, I'm not really doing what I should be doing, which is my work. But I do find that when I diffuse my peppermint oil, another great way to use this is to help you focus, because the peppermint oil will really help our brains stay focused on one thing. So that's what I'm doing here, and it really works like a charm, you guys. I swear I get so much work done. I practice meditation daily, as you guys know. I really like to have a safe space, which is my home. So one of my favorite things to do during my meditations is to diffuse frankincense. This is a great way to get rid of that negative energy around you. So it's definitely one of my favorite things to do during my meditation sessions. So those are all of my favorite ways to use essential oils. Don't be sleeping on this set, you guys, or the diffuser. I will leave the link in the coupon code down below for you guys to cop it. And until next time, I will see you in my next video.